day on the Biker in the Kitchen. Getting some complaints that I'm wrenching too much and not cooking enough, so I thought I'd throw a little cooking video in here. I'm going to whip up something for lunch. It's actually breakfast time for the old biker because I don't get up that early. But for the rest of you, it's lunchtime. The weather's getting cool. It's actually only about 45 or 50 degrees outside in Arizona right now, which is cold as hell for us. So it's football season, brings on some of that cold weather food desires, some comfort food. Still on keto, so I can only do so much. But I'm going to make a keto version, which still will work for you, of chili dogs. That's what we're going for right now. Let's get at it. All right, here we go with the ingredients. We're going to do it biker trash style. So this is stuff you just pull out of your cabinet and hope for the best. I've got some Nathan's hot dogs there. Got some leftover Fiesta cheese. Got some Famous Dave's spicy pickle relish, which I love. That stuff kicks ass. Got some Hormel no beans chili out of the can. A little bit of butter. Got some leftover packets of hot sauce from Del Taco to add a little bit of ghetto to this whole thing. Got a couple of no-carb tortillas that I'm going to throw in the oven while I'm making the rest of this, just to heat them up. And it's going to be kind of a quesadilla, kind of a hot dog chopped up casserole kind of thing. Got my trusty cast iron pan heating up on the stove. Let's get to it. So there we go. We're going to start with 4 of Nathan's Best hot dogs. And we're going to chop them down into coin sizes so that they go more readily on a tortilla versus on a bun. Wish we could have buns, but we can't do that. If y'all want to have buns, don't dice them, just cook them whole. Put them on a bun. And there we go. And while those were magically going from whole hot dogs to coins, we're melting some butter in the old cast iron, and we're going to dump those right in there. The good thing about cutting them into coins is it makes the, not just the skins, but all 4 sides of the little coins kind of crispy if you do it right. And we're going to do it right. Coming on back to that. As you can see, that butter makes quick work of browning these hot dogs. They're all pretty well ready to go, nice and crispy all the way around. Now we're going to add the chili to the mix, just 1 can. Gotta love canned food. God knows where it's been. This is from the Hormel Company, probably out of Beloit, Wisconsin. Get that all mixing in there good. It's already cooked, it just needs to be heated up and infused with some flavors there. Oh, a lot of steam on the lens. Then we add the squeezins from the Del Taco hot sauce. Get a couple more of those. That's biker style right there. They always give you too many of these, so it's always good to keep them in your fridge and save you some buying hot sauce. Alright, we're going to let that blend together a little bit, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. While we're doing that, I'm going to stick the tortillas in the oven just for a quick bake. Get them warmed up. We'll do that. All right, that's all simmering nice, blending together. Now we add the famous Dave's. We don't measure this out, we just kind of dump some in. A little bit more. There you go. Let's stir that in. Get it all infused. Go, biker, go! That's going real nice. Now, as we all know with the biker, cheese makes everything better. So we'll add some of that in here. Tortillas are about to come out of the oven. Let me grab those and we'll be right back. Alright, she's melted pretty good. Got the tortillas done, they're nice and warm. Not too hard, just nice and warm. And you can do this however you want. You could wrap this into a burrito, or you could, what I'm going to do is I'm going to serve it kind of quesadilla style. Nice and healthy chunks there. Let's take our other tortilla here, put her down on top, smash it down. Now that's no longer finger food, that's going to be a mess, so we're in a knife and fork territory now. Alright, then the rest of the trick is to serve it up right. Paper plate, plastic utensils, Green Bay Packers glass full of Diet Mountain Dew. Wish it was regular Mountain Dew, but this keto thing, you know, gotta be good. So, this is some trashy ass chili dogs for a warm day. Even warm up you guys back in Wisconsin. Getting ready to watch the Packers tomorrow. And this will be a good start if you have to go out and shovel some snow. Let's give it a try. All right, there it is. Let's try it. That will stick to your ribs right there, I'm telling you. Trashy chili dogs a la Biker in the Kitchen. Good stuff. Don't forget, if you like my videos, subscribe, make a comment, hit the like button, hit the dislike button, I don't care. Any which way. Till next time, it's the Biker. I'm out.